Multiply binomials, page 164. You can use the distributive property to multiply two binomials, like x plus 4 and x plus 11. Okay. Binomial, because they're made up of how many monomials? Each of them? 2. Okay. Now, we use the method, we're going to use the distributive property, but we use the method called FOIL. And FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, last. Get it down? First, outer, inner, last. And throughout this process, at least what we start off doing is multiply. What is the first term in both of these binomials? X. So x times x is what? X squared. What are the outer terms? X and 11 are on the outside. So I get what? The inner terms times x is 4x. And last in each, 4 and 11. Do I have any like terms? 11x plus a 4x that's that. It's as simple as you can get it because you have no more like terms. You have no more x squareds. You have no more x's to add. You have no other regular integers without variables. Okay? Any questions there? First, outer, inner. Marley, if you want to scooch up a desk, you can. Go ahead. X times x, x squared. Outer, x times 9. 7, inner, 7 times x. And last, 7 times 9. A positive 9x added to a positive 7x is a there it is. Okay? Try that one. First, y times y, Marlia. Y squared. Outer, Marlia. Y times 5. Inner. Last. Combine the 5y with the 6y. Plus 30. Okay? Any questions so far? All right. Now, with everything, as with everything, there's always a little bit of a twist here or there. Doesn't make it impossible. It just makes sure that you're not going at them like a robot. Okay? So let's take a look at this one together. My first x times x, my outer x times a, what kind of a 6 is this? Is a what? Positive 6x. x. Now here is where you got to just be a little bit more careful. What kind of a 5 is this? Negative 5 times x is a what? And now last, a negative 5 times a positive 6 is a negative 30. Do I have any like terms? Okay. So x squared, what happens when I take a positive 6x and take away 5x? What kind of x is it? There you go. If we can steer away from making it 1x and just making it x, that would be great. It's a good habit to get into. Okay. Did anything really change? You just had to pay attention more to the negative. Okay. I'll give you one of those to try. Okay. Kate, first. X times x is what? Outer. Inner. Inner. Last. Like terms, negative 2x, positive 8x. Okay? Get it, Marlia? Kate? Mark? Yes? Raven? What happened? You're not adding until when? You're not adding until when, Raven? You're not adding until you get this part all situated, and then you add like terms. So it's all multiplication. Okay? Okay? So again, you're still multiplying binomials. But again, you just have to be a little bit more careful. You're paying attention to what's going on. 3x times x is now what, Marlia? 3x squared. Your outer, a 3x and a negative 2, negative 6x. Your inner, 5 times x. And your last, negative 10. 3x squared we can't touch. A negative 6 and a positive 5 is going to leave us with negative x minus 10. Okay? This is where all those times I was telling you, adding and subtracting with these integers, with these positives, these negatives, you got to get this right because it's not going to go away. Definitely not here. Okay? Give you one. Let's. Okay, first, 5x times 2x. 10x what? Outer. 5x times a negative 3. Inner. Negative 1 times 2x. And last, negative 1 times negative 3. Very good. 10x squared, negative 15, negative 2. Very good. There we got it. What happened? What did you have? Did you get these right? Are you going through first, outer, inner, last? Try another one. Hey, Raven. Simplified. Very good. Good. Okay, first, x times x, Raven. Outer, x times a 3y, Marlia. 3xy. Inner, x times y, Marlia. And last, awesome, 3y squared. Question? Alphabetical order. W, X, Y, and Z. If we always put them in alphabetical order, then we always have the same thing. It's always uniform, it's always the same. Now, we're not done, though. Marlia, like terms. You're adding them. Honey, you're adding them.
Wait, so it'd be
4xy plus 3y squared. Doesn't matter what xy are. If they're the same, I've got 3 of them here and 1 of them there. Add them up. 4xy. Okay. Try another one like that. Good, I'm glad you caught the 3y squared, though. A lot of people miss that. It's good news. Two m plus n and m plus 3n. Well, basically, it's a series of what? Like 4 multiplication problems. That's all it is. So like we said, like that big tree you're chopping down, swipe by swipe, right? That big cheeseburger, little bite by bite. Don't take the whole thing at once. Okay, 2m times m. First. Awesome. Okay, 1 down. Outer, 2m times 3n. 6mn. Inner. And last, 3n squared. Okay, that's half the battle. Now we simplify. 6mn plus mn is how many mn? 6 plus 1 is 7 plus 3n squared. Okay? Got it. Yes?
I had it, except at the end I put 6mn squared instead of the 7.
Try number 37. Okay, last one. First, 3m times 5m is what? 15m squared. Outer, 3m times a negative 3n. Negative 9 mn. Inner, negative 2n and 5m. And last, negative 2n times positive 3n. Question, Marlia. So you just said what? Okay, so 15m squared stays the way it is. Negative 9 and negative 10 give us a negative 19 mn plus the 6n squared. And there we have it. Okay. What's going to be really fun, like I showed you the other day, is when we're given this and we've got to put it back into that. Okay. It's easier to see. It's easier to see like on this one. It's easier to see on this one. First, outer, inner, and last. It's easier to see on one like this because you know you've got two x's, right? Hence the x squared. Okay. Now what you look at is factors of 8. Factors of 8. Then when you add them together, give you 6, 4, and 2. Right? So we'll get to all that, but for now, make you FOIL experts. Okay, lots of practice. 2 through 42 even. You know what they say, drill and kill.